Have you ever been in a restaurant and they had the fancy cantaloupe sitting on the fruit bar? Well, this is how they do it. They simply use a V-shaped cutter to cut through the fruit. You've seen the watermelon boats filled with fruit with a nice garnished edge. This is a simple tool they do to make a nice fancy design. You simply insert your V-shaped cutter evenly around your fruit, making the lines connect to make sure you're going to get an exact cut all the way around. You just simply push and insert. And you too can have a very fancy fruit bar when you have guests over for breakfast. And on the last one, you're going to turn it over. And then you're simply going to open it. And then you have your nice, beautifully garnished fruit. I'm sure you can find many uses to use your V-shaped cutter for.